We'll start lying down, knees bent, feet hip distance apart. Find your neutral spine, the pelvis level, pubic bone, and hip bones on the same plane. There's a small, natural curve behind the lower back. Arms long by your sides, shoulders soft and relaxed away from the ears. Take a deep breath in through the nose, and exhale. Feel the ribcage soften down toward the pelvis. Lace your hands behind the head and let the weight of the head melt into your hands as you lengthen the back of the neck. Slight tuck of the chin and keep the elbows in your peripheral vision. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, curl the head and chest away from the mat. Come up just to the bottom tips of the shoulder blades. Exhale, roll back down with control. Again, exhale, curl up, keeping the pelvis quiet and neutral. Inhale, lower down. Last one, exhale, curl up, and this time, hold. Float one leg up to tabletop, and the other leg, knees over the hips, shins parallel to the floor. Gently lower the head and chest down, and keep the legs exactly where they are. Curl up, the legs stay completely still, the rib cage wrapping softly toward the hips, and lower back down. Curl up again. Bring the hands behind the thighs and use them to climb a little higher, chest toward the knees. Big inhale again. Now send the arms long, reaching toward the front of the room. Hands come back behind the head and curl back down with control. 2 more like that. Exhale, curl up, hands to the thighs, curl up slightly higher. Take a deep breath. Arms reach long, hands behind the head and lower down. Inhale again, exhale. Curl up, hands to the thighs, sending the ribs down toward the hips. Keep a soft peach under the chin. Pause here, check the elbow. It's not locked. Hands back behind the head, and curl back down. If the full 100 feels like too much today, here's your modification. Curl up, one hand behind the head, the other behind the thigh. Extend the opposite leg long. Reach the free arm past the hips. Hand comes back behind the head and bend the knee in. Switch sides. One hand to your thigh. Stretch the other leg long. Stay curled. The arm extend out. Back behind the head and lower down. Option to use this variation, one leg long and switch halfway. You're also welcome to keep the head down. All right, take a deep breath. Curl up, coming to our full 100. Legs long to the diagonal, arms reach, and begin pumping. Inhale for 5, exhale for 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep the pelvis stable. Gradually bring the legs lower without arching the lower back. Keep pumping. Let the breath be the exercise. Filling for 5, emptying for 5. We are halfway through. Send the breath wide into the ribs. Pump the arms like you're splashing water. Small, but powered from the shoulders. Almost there. See if you can go slightly lower for your last 10. Curl up a bit more, and exhale. 2, 3, 4, and rest. Good job, and lower back down. Feel that gentle heat in the center. 100 breaths, and the body is lit from within, ready for everything that comes next.